In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Elden Ring with a PlayStation 4 controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The method that I'm gonna show you in this video will work if you own Elden Ring on Steam. As you can see, according to the official Steam store page for the game, it has full controller support as a feature, meaning that any controller that you connect, as long as it's being properly detected by your PC, will natively work and get set up when you run the game through Steam. In order to ensure that your PlayStation 4 controller is working if you are having issues, what you have to do is first go to your library and select Elden Ring. You will notice that I don't own Elden Ring at the moment, so I'm going to teach you how to do this process by selecting Devil May Cry 5 as an example, but this will work as long as you follow the steps. Select Elden Ring like I said and click the settings icon at the right side of the screen. You will be able to click Properties after you select the Manage icon and go into the controller settings. First, what you have to do is enable Steam input, and you can go into controller general settings to double check if PlayStation controllers have Steam input enabled. With the Steam input enabled, you can access this little gamepad icon and make sure that you have a layout enabled. You can use the official one recommended by the creators or browse through community-made layouts. You can even manually edit each and every button on your controller. If this works, you will be able to change all of the keybinds as you wish in-game, but there's something else that you can try if you are still having issues even after enabling Steam input. You can try doing the opposite and disabling Steam input instead, as some controllers have reported weird behaviors when trying to be set up using Steam input. But as long as you try running the game with Steam input completely enabled and the layout selected, or disabled altogether, you should be able to play using any controller that you have, including the PlayStation 4 one. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Elden Ring with a PlayStation 4 controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.